Hi everybody, welcome back to Eli's Imagination Station. I don't know what that was. Today we are doing part 2 on the Besttoy walking, choking duck. Some people call them German crazy ducks. Or something like that.
German crazy duck?
Or something. We got my original one in Germany.
That we did.
Yep.
This. There we go. That at a better angle so it's not shining right in my face. I thought that would be a good spot for it, but it
We
wasn't.
just brought my TV upstairs.
Yeah, we did.
And got it installed up there. We haven't plugged it in or anything yet, or put the DVD and VCR up there yet. But the TV is hung on the wall.
So it looks like the gears, yeah, I just want to make sure that the gears move. They're moving.
Can you tell what makes the wings move?
Well, the wings were on this one. That's one of them that was busted. So I don't know. The wings went on like this. Well, this same kind of, well, I don't know. I have no idea. We'll have to see what happens when and if we get it running.
Yeah.
Okay, so I
Well,
want
we'll
to
get it
try.
running, hopefully. I remember the wings went up and down. Kind of walked,
Yep.
kind of went like this. And it played the counter.
I know the wings might not have. I think you just walked, and then when you picked them up, when his neck extended, I think that's when the wings took off.
No, the wings.
They always went?
Yeah, the wings would go up and down. Actually, I can show them a video of it on my other phone because we have to record it. These first parts on my other phone
It's on.
because the what's it
Try
called?
to use this. This is the switch.
The other one ran out of space.
Let's see if I can use this.
And if you guys watch my channel, I have lots and lots of
So it's
singing.
definitely not the switch.
Are you bypassing the switch again?
Yeah, I'm doing it again with this time with the wire, so I know that that would work. I don't know if the switch is. Did we test the switch yesterday? Did it work?
We
I know we tested it, but I don't know if it worked. It looks like everything's fine in there. Let me put it back together real quick. All the wires look good inside the switch.
Yeah, I'm not sure if you guys know quite how many singing toys I have, but I do have a lot of them. And that duck was my first singing toy. Well, my original one was my very first singing toy. My first actual full-size one. I had a few of those little squeeze ones before.
Yeah.
Before the duck. I had the yodeling bear. And do you think I had any of the other ones before?
I don't know, man. I can push this button.
Oh, okay. Where is it?
It's right here in front of me. Let me get the wire thing. Let me get this on here first.
Just tell me.
Oh, come on. Now.
Hold it?
Yeah.
I'm holding it.
Yeah, so the button doesn't work either.
And now I'm pushing it.
Yeah, so the button's no good.
Do we have the replacement buttons in there?
Not like this. We have replacement buttons, but not like this one. But so we'll have to put one of the regular buttons.
The clicky ones.
Yeah, just the regular click buttons. But pop it back open. And I'm going to make sure that it is the button and not one of the wires. So follow that there. That wire's good.
Are you testing the wires now?
Yeah, they go to the button.
Yeah.
So that wire's good. Yeah, so the button's definitely bad. Bad button.
They probably played with it a lot, and then
Yeah, so we'll put the button in the trash pile.
and then the button went out, and then they stopped playing with it for like 20 years and never took the batteries out.
Yeah. So now I want to try, let's see, how am I gonna,
Yeah, my first singing toy, if you consider those little squeezy ones, was probably the yodeling bear. I think the yodeling bear was the first one. I don't know when I got the beer, because that one was yours, but I took that one from you.
yes, I still don't know about this switch.
And then it had the bear and the mommy's bear and lamb before I was born. Not really sure exactly when I started playing with those.
That switch is definitely good.
The
So how
on-off
come,
switch,
yeah,
it's by the battery.
this black wire now?
I think we should replace the button and see what happens.
No, that's good. The switch, you mean?
No, I mean the button that we tested.
No, if it was the button, then when I put the wire on there, it would have went off.
Oh. But we do still know that the button's bad, right? Because we tested the button and that didn't work either.
Mm-hmm.
And it can't be the component for the button because the wires work. Whoa, that one was a little
So
warped.
that means,
That big was a little bit warped.
yeah, it's just, it's going on, not like sitting on there. So if I go right here, from this to this, why am I not getting any DC voltage? Because from right here to right here, 4.8 volts.
Probably have to end up testing everything.
That's what I'm doing. So that's good. 4.8 volts there.
Yeah, test every component and every wire and see what it is.
Something's wrong right here. If I go from this, that wire is good, but when I go from here, there's no voltage.
Maybe it's that component?
There's no component in between. 4.8. What's killing the voltage?
So one side of the wire is fine and then the other side,
Well, both sides seem fine, but
but one side was
the
giving
voltage is disappearing.
throughout the wire.
I should be reading that same voltage right there. Oh. Wait a minute.
Has the daddy figured something out?
No, I'm just thinking about. That's the plus and minus right I don't get.
Maybe with that one wire where the voltage was disappearing, like through the other end, maybe the inside of the wire was broken.
No, it's fine, bud. I already tested that part.
Huh.
It's gotta be something else. You alright?
I just bumped my leg on the table when I was sitting down. It did hurt, but it still hurts a little bit.
Yeah.
A little bit ouchy.
Nothing. So it's perfect right there. Confused. Brush and turn it on. Pop that wire off real quick.
I'm gonna solder a wire or something.
I'm gonna desolder our wire. Take it off and see if when it's not connected, if the voltage is going through like it's supposed to.
Because if it is, then it could be that other component.
Yeah. Well, if it is, then something else is wrong that I don't know. If it isn't, then there's something wrong with this wire.
I'd rather it be something wrong with the wire.
Yep, me too.
Replace that.
Just gotta wait for this to heat up now. Still a little bit cold.
What was that?
Hmm?
Is that just the wire coming off?
Yeah, it just popped a little bit. Or hopped, I should say. So now this. No.
Still nothing?
Need my other. Can you grab me those other wires that are in there, please?
These?
No, in that case. Can you reach it? Yeah.
You're thinking maybe those ones are bad?
No, this one just has a clip. It's hard to hold it. This one I can clip on the end of this. Alright, and then attach this one to this. So something is not right with that wire.
Oh, so it is the wire?
Something's not right.
What does that wire go to?
The power.
Oh.
Because if I go to here, where it starts, there, yeah. Something with this wire.
Well,
This is that old switch.
maybe we need to replace that wire then.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Mm-hmm. See, that's what I was saying. Like maybe, like inside of the coating of the wire, like it's maybe like broken inside, maybe.
Yeah, they got all sorts of gunk on it though, so it's gonna be hard to desolder on this end.
Yeah. Cause if you guys didn't see part 1, he was really corroded. Actually,
This is some sort of sealant, I think, that they put on it.
oh, probably so the wire wouldn't fall off.
I have no idea why.
I think that since we figured out that wire isn't working, maybe if we replace that, it will play the music and
Maybe.
the motor will spin. That would be my first time hearing it in like at least probably like 7 years, probably.
Oh, that is gunky. What is this stuff they've got on here?
It looks like that is the corrosion.
No, it's some sort of, it's stuff that they put on it to like keep it from like shorting out or whatever. Kind of like this stuff, the light plastic colored stuff they put on. Where those pliers go today? Oh, right here.
Maybe the corrosion.
Like the yellowish stuff they put on there.
Yeah, maybe is it like close to where the corrosion was?
No, it's just close to where the connections are.
Oh, I was saying maybe some of the corrosion got onto that.
I've never seen anything like this.
Yeah.
I cannot tell where this is supposed to be hooked up to.
It could maybe be some of that stuff. It just might have gotten like really messed up.
Because if I'm going to take this wire off, I got to have somewhere to. Oh, that wire just came off. But I don't know where to put the other one. And I can't tell where it's supposed to hook up to. There's all this gunk in here. Yeah, it's that stuff they put on it. That yellowish coating. There, I got some of it. It's just this, it's really dirty and stuff on this one. Hopefully I can get it out without messing the switch up. Ah, there's a big old chunk of it.
Happy late Easter, guys. Yesterday was Easter. When we're recording this video, it'll probably maybe be after then, once it's posted. As the time of we're recording this video, we haven't posted part 1 yet. We made that part on Friday.
Part 1? Oh, it was Friday we did part 1?
Yeah.
I thought it was Saturday.
No, we were at that flea market on Saturday.
Mm.
I got some cool stuff. I got a Jimmy Crazy Shaker's Valentine's Day dog and a Rockin' Gobbler turkey.
I think you were right, Eli. I think it was corrosion.
It was?
Yeah.
Maybe we won't even need to take off that wire. Maybe it's just that little bit more corrosion that was messing it up.
Well, the wire came off.
Oh.
It fell off while I was trying to clean it.
Is that the one we were trying to take off?
No, yeah, that's the one I was going to take off. I just was trying to find where it came from. But
yeah.
Reach try.
Well, hopefully once we put...
Let me see how...
Huh? That thing is a lower pitch now.
Hmm?
That.
Oh, that's okay.
If this makes it work, that'll be my first time hearing it not on a video in 7 years, maybe less than that. I know it's at least as recent as 7 years. In 2019, I know I still had it. Are you just gonna put that wire back on?
Yeah. Looks like it's fine.
Oh. Then what were you trying to do? Just clean
Well, I thought maybe something was wrong with it. But there was definitely something wasn't working with it. Let's see if it'll solder back on. Okay. Might as well use it.
Yeah, maybe it wasn't the wire. Maybe it was just that corrosion.
Yeah, I think it was just something with the connection. It was
The rainbow
funky.
connection. The funky connection. The duckies, the quackers, and me. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. I got that song stuck in your head.
Yep, thank you very much.
Yep. At least maybe I got the peanuts stuck out of your head.
That was out of my head.
Oh,
It'll probably be back in now.
yeah,
You just said it.
now that I mentioned it, you could get 2 banana days stuck in your head. I was stuck in my head earlier. It's going to be 2 banana kind of day.
I haven't heard that song in a long time.
2 banana day. It's a 2 banana day. 2 banana day. It's a 2 banana day. Maybe we can play it later and you can hear it in the first time in like probably like 7 years.
Oh, it hasn't been that long.
Not that long.
I don't think so.
Maybe like 5 years.
Maybe, yeah.
That's weird. The solder smoke, at least from here, I can't really see the smoke until it gets to a certain height.
Yeah, I'm going to have to replace that wire.
That wire.
It's too old. I figured I'd try to use it, but nope.
What's that thing that's at the end of those wires that you just take them off?
These are from something. They're just wires that I got.
I think they're from the buttons.
What buttons?
The replacement buttons, like the clicky buttons.
Oh, no, they're from the motors.
Oh, yeah, from the motors.
Yeah, from the replacement motors that we got.
I knew they were from one of those things.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if we have any more of those replacement motors.
Yeah, we do.
Or is it the speaker? I think it might be the speakers that we don't have.
Speakers, we might have one left, if that.
I think the last thing we used a new speaker on was your Silly Slimer's Dilbert.
Mm-hmm.
Or no, there was something else that needed a new speaker. That monkey needed a new speaker. That one that goes, I'm bananas over you.
Mm-hmm.
Monkey see, monkey do, so give me a hug already, will you? That's not the sound a duck makes. It goes quack, 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 quack. That's the sound it would make. I never really thought of it as choking him. Like I didn't used to do it like this. I used to kind of just pick him up.
Yeah, it's not choking. I mean, it's just picking them up is all it is.
Call it a choking duck though. That's what people call them at least.
Mm-hmm. All right.
I really hope that this gets the music and the movement start working.
I just want to see if this wire can work. Nope.
So it's not the wire?
Unless I put it back on in the wrong spot.
Uh-oh. That would be good.
I don't know, take a second to fix. Everything's always tangled.
Oh no.
I didn't want these. What the? Maybe that switch isn't working.
The on-off switch or the button?
The on-off switch.
I thought we tested that and it was working.
Well, I mean, it's getting continuity through it, but the voltage doesn't go through it, which is really weird.
Maybe it's a backwards switch. Maybe it's actually off right now.
Well, it's not working like it's backwards.
That's what I meant. Flip the switch to the other way.
Nope.
So now we do need to replace that switch.
Yep. We do.
This might be the first one where we've had to replace the on-off switch.
Oh no, I've used a couple of them, I think.
Not on a singing toy, I don't think.
On.
I know we've used them on some of Mommy's decorations. Switches? On the decorations?
On the Christmas thing I did.
Oh, the one that you could turn off the music.
Yeah, the one that, the music never turned off.
Yeah.
When you
we
tried to
added
turn the
an
lights
extra-
on, so
we
I
added
added
an
an extra switch.
to just have the lights on instead of the music. And there's also like a Halloween light thing that we had put a switch in because it like fell inside, and then that one also fell inside, I think.
So now this one. Now the switch ain't working. The switch was working before because I tested it.
Well, I guess let's replace the switch now.
Yep. I'm going to do something else first. I'm going to take this wire.
What are you going to do first?
And put this wire back in the board.
Is that where it's supposed to go?
Yep. Solder solder this in back in.
And remember, you flip the switch, so it might not be on.
The switch ain't even connected to nothing. I took all the wires off the switch. Let's put this new wire connected to the circuit board real quick. There. Okay. Now, I'm going to take these two. One of these doesn't have, yeah. Instead of using a switch, I'm just going to clip these two wires together. I'm going to try to, if I can get it down in there. Actually, I'm just going to put this right here.
You said instead of using the switch?
Yeah, I'm just going to put this wire right to the other wire. If I can get it to stick.
Is that going to change anything?
It's just to test it, so right now we don't need a switch.
Oh.
And then I want to see if we can get it to play.
Please play, ducky.
Switch to, this is the switch.
Which we tested that one and it didn't work.
Yeah, we know this one don't work. So yeah. Get these two wires together.
Yes! Yes!
Music's playing.
Yes! So that one's
He's
older.
not moving though.
So that one's older than my.
The neck part works.
So that one is older than my original one. Yeah. Here, let him play all the way through.
Huh?
Let him play all the way through.
Oh, okay.
Yay!
There we go.
So that one, this one is actually older than my original one then.
Why?
Because it's a lower pitch.
Oh.
The one that sounds a little bit of a lower pitch is a first generation. And then the higher pitch is a second generation.
So we had a couple bad wires and the switch is bad. So next we'll replace the switch, but the motors aren't working either.
Maybe the motors.
And we got to replace the button. So the switch is going to be the hard part, I think.
I'm just so glad that the wheels are working.
I'm not sure how it's going to. Probably have to glue the new switch in there.
We can leave a review on the car listing because they knew it didn't work and said we took it apart and we got them working. Well, if we can get it completely working.
Well, we know we'll get at least part of it working. Do I have the switches in here? Yep, there's a box of switches.
Here's the switches. There's all kinds of switches.
Yeah, there's all kinds in there.
Where'd you put the original switch?
It's still in there. In order to get that out, it's probably going to have to pop those little tabs, though. Yeah, there's like little pieces of plastic that are what's got it in there, so I don't know if it's gonna come off. It'll probably break those to get it out.
It's been probably like.
So we're gonna have to glue it
It's
back
probably,
in there.
It's probably been like 15 years since that's made any noise.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, snap a little tab off.
I'm so excited.
There. There's the old one.
Try to find.
Where's my toothbrush?
There's your toothbrush. You're brushing its teeth again. The woodpecker pecking a tree. We've been getting lots of woodpeckers the last few months.
Yeah, we have.
Especially over there on that tree.
Mm-hmm. That is true.
There it is again.
All right, so here's the old switch.
So how again did you get it to work without the switch?
I just took the wire that I soldered on. I took this wire and I just put it onto where the battery is.
Oh. Instead of on the switch?
Yeah, so basically taking the switch completely out of it. All right, so let's get the switches down here. It's going to be
That actually makes me so excited.
this one maybe.
That reaction was really funny.
That looks like that's it. Here's the switch.
It's the right size?
Yep, it's the exact same size.
Can I see it next to the original one? Oh yeah, it's exact.
Mm-hmm.
The only difference is that the original one is dirty.
Yes, it's very dirty.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you look at the bottom.
If it'll focus onto it.
Well, you can tell the one that's all smudgy or dark is the dirty one.
Let me see.
See how much different they are?
Oh yeah. Maybe they had that exact same switch kit.
Mm-hmm. So now on is on that side. So the way it is right now.
Yeah, how do you know if the switch is on or off right now?
Well, it'll work either way. You just want to make sure whichever way you have it matches what it says on the outside. So
if you solder one wire on one side and the other on the other
right
side,
now
depends.
these two should give me a beep. And these two won't. See?
Oh yeah.
So I put one wire there, one wire there. And now I just gotta make sure I put it in with the wires on the right side. So.
And then the music will.
Oh, that wire came out of the circuit board.
Oh no. Not again.
No, that's the first time it accidentally came up. I took it out of the circuit board on purpose first time.
Oh.
Which was good because we had to replace it anyway because the other end of that wire was not very good.
Yeah. Now you have Camptown racist stuff in your head.
Yeah. At least we got a good reason for it to be stuck in my head. It was working.
was saying, 7 years is the oldest possibility. Is 7 years.
Alright, hopefully that stuck it in there good enough.
Maybe I can figure out how to add pictures and videos of the original one at the end of the video.
Yeah.
Might get him finished tonight.
I don't think he'll be finished, but we'll get him playing music. That's for sure.
You already got him playing music.
Yeah, but only if I hold it together with stuff. I want to get it to where we can push a button. There's that one.
Yeah, it's the first time in quite a long time since I've heard that in person. I'm not sure when I got rid of that one.
I have no idea.
Mom, do you remember if we got rid of the duck right before we moved?
I think so, buddy.
You think we got rid
I think right before we moved, we got rid of a lot of them a lot of stuff that didn't work
Yeah.
anymore. We got rid of it.
Well, the duck still worked.
Oh, you did?
The only thing that was wrong with him is one of his wings were snapped.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, one of his wings didn't move. That was the only thing that was wrong.
Mm-hmm. I guess technically that one should have gone there, huh? That's
And we still have to replace the button too, right?
Yep.
How did you get it to play? You touched the two
I
wires
just
together.
used the thing that went across the two connections.
He did the wire trick.
Let's see. Yeah, because we're going to have to glue this back in now.
Glue the switch in.
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll have to figure out what's wrong with the motor.
Yep.
Maybe just the wires off the motor. Is there a wire going to the motor?
Yeah, there's wires going on. So let's try real quick. So that worked.
Yay!
So we'll glue that in before we're done tonight. But for right this second, we'll leave it. We're going to have to put a button in.
So that way, instead of having to touch the two button wires together, we can just push the button.
Push a button, yeah. Where's my buttons? That's motors.
Should be somewhere there.
There's buttons.
There they are.
Different type of button, but a button's a button's a button. It'll work.
Yeah. will probably. Do you think it'll fit in that little shell that the button was in?
It would, but it wouldn't push right, I don't think.
You don't think so?
No. Let me see. First, you bend these guys down into the little channel. I don't know if that would fit. I mean, it would fit in there. It definitely fits in there. I just don't know if you would be able to push it.
Let me try.
Where's the top of it? This is the piece that goes on top.
That was the piece.
Yeah.
And this piece was on top. That part doesn't need to go on top.
Well, this thing is springy. It wouldn't push it. See, it's not deep enough. So if that one, yeah. So that plastic piece wouldn't work. Maybe if that piece was on it. I wonder if this would still go on. Let's see if it would fit. It's easier to try it before we put all the stuff in. Yeah, it won't snap down. Nope. But you get that out of there. I wonder if it would.
I don't think it's tall enough to have just that.
Yeah, I don't either, but try and line it up.
It looks like it would be too loose.
Actually, it's too tall.
Oh,
Still wouldn't fit in there, it doesn't look like. Oh, maybe. Oh, yeah.
Is it like? Let me try.
Yeah, but going through that thing, I don't think.
Go through what thing?
Through the.
Through the fabric.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's try and put it in the wing. The button was backwards, like the part that goes in was on the under part of the wing.
Mm-hmm.
We can probably go on the part that has the logo though. Let me try. It's kind of hard to push it.
It's up to you.
Huh?
It's up to you if you want. What do you think?
Yeah, I guess.
It probably, because once you get the stuffing in there.
There wasn't any stuffing in the wings.
Oh, there wasn't at all?
No. It was just that plastic that was in the wings.
You want me to put it in this, or or we can just put it in there like some of the other ones where it's just the button by itself. You know you'll be able to push it then. It's up to you.
I think we can. Do you think maybe we can like put something like on the top to make it a little bit taller so that way it's easier to push?
That's what I was thinking. Maybe I could put this on it because this is squishy too. But I don't know what we would put up there.
Does that make it harder to press?
No, but I think it's too thick. Once I have that together,
Too thick.
we'll put the wires on it, and then we'll see what we think. Might be easier to. Yeah, the wires are going to be right there.
I just remembered that we still need to probably clean the inside of the duck part, the fabric part.
Oh yeah, we'll have to do that, all that before we put them back together, definitely.
Yeah, because the corrosion escaped out of the battery pack so much.
Mm-hmm.
It got on some of the fabric on the inside.
My guess is we'll take once I get the switch on, I don't know, what time is it? Yeah, we got about 5 minutes. So this is probably the last part. Put this on, and then I'll glue that switch in there. And then that'll probably be it for part 2. And next time we'll take apart the motor casing, and there's probably a good chance that that's all just messed up from corrosion too, or dirt, or who knows.
Well, it seems like it was played with a lot because the on-off switch The button was bad.
It wasn't ignored, we'll say that.
That definitely wasn't wrong.
Probably some toddler owned it and carried it around by the neck
Yep,
and just let it sing all day.
as they say, it was well loved, we think.
I know that's not the one that I had. The head is not the same shape, it doesn't have the same tag, and the sound is different. Plus that corrosion is from like, looks like it's probably like at least 15 years worth, maybe more than that. Like, I remember Tumble Time Tigger was like that. He still had his original batteries,
Oh, yeah.
and he was from
Oh yeah, I remember that. That was
sometime in the
horrible.
2000s, and he still had his original batteries.
That's the worst corrosion we've ever had. Was Tumble Time Tigger.
Yeah.
Replaced that whole battery section.
And we had that duck as well that we had to replace the whole battery pack in because it was just too much.
It's because I got the button pushed.
Where did he go?
It turned back off.
Oh, because you're still holding the button. Alright, now push the button. No, don't push it again. I want to hear the whole song again.
Oh, okay.
Now do the head.
Oh,
Stop.
he's not heavy enough.
He's not heavy enough yet.
Yeah.
Yeah,
All
because the legs are on there.
Yep. Last piece for tonight is I'm going to glue the switch in.
Yeah. So guys, this video is being recorded on Monday.
Monday.
On April 6th of
Yep.
2026. I'm so excited that the music works.
Me too.
But yeah, anyway, what I was saying earlier was the switch was bad and the button was bad. So there's a good chance that the motor has gone bad too.
There's a chance, yeah. Try to
Because the wires go into the
angle this
motor.
where I can hold it in there
And
and get glue on it without messing up the switch, because that would be a bummer.
yeah. Because it'd be hard to get it out to put another one in there.
Yep. Probably it for the video today, bud.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Want to do the quacking again really quick?